welcome back to the channel, guys. New product release from K-Tuned. What is it, you might add? Well, it's the 11th gen Civic and 5th gen Integra short shifter. And I gotta tell you, this thing is really nice in person. Retail on these are $499.99. And I'm going to go over it real quick, kind of show you some of the features. I don't have our 11th gen shop Civic here right now to throw it in real quick. But I have done some side-to-side movement. Obviously, back and forth, it's not hooked up, so you're not getting the full. But I can tell you in here, and side-to-side, it is extremely tight fitting and feels really good. So this might be one of the best options for the 11th gen. All right, so you get this little bag here. This is gonna be your pivot for your shift knob. Fits all Honda knobs. K-Tuned actually provide this little set here with Allen keys so you can tighten up all this if they do come loose. So you've got your shifter side here, your spring, pivot ball inside here. Oh man, this thing is beautiful. Fits right on the floor. So here's the thing with the base bushings. They don't come included. You can use your stock ones. Will have a little bit of flex to it because they're rubber, or you can order with the shifter the stainless firm inserts. I think they're $29.99. But yeah, we've got these in stock. I just pulled one out of the box and wanted to get up and close and show you guys how good these look. So this does fit underneath all the plastics and shifter boot. Everything works. Or you can open it up so you can see some of the bling bling. And just phenomenal. I'll leave a link below if you guys want to order one up, and these usually take 2 to 4 days shipping depending on where you're at. So hope to see some orders in. Everyone have a good weekend. Go like and subscribe to the channel, and thanks again for watching. Till next time.